Hello, I'm in a 2015 Range Rover Evoque, and today I'm going to show you how to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius for all your displays that give you your readings. So we're going to actually be using this control panel to access all this, and we'll watch here as we move through these buttons. Pretty much this OK and these up and downs. So I hit OK, and then I'll scroll down to instrument display, and then OK, and then down to temperature units, hit OK, and then here you can switch to Celsius or to Fahrenheit. I'll leave it on Fahrenheit since I'm in the United States. So I'll go to back, hit OK again. That's it, and then it just auto changes it when you select it in the screen, so nothing else you have to do. And then you can see here where it's in Fahrenheit. So now if I'd switch to Celsius, it would say Celsius right now. That's it. Hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.